Now we're going to add our snow. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use that same splatter brush that I used to add the stars at the beginning. I'm going to add a little bit of water to my white paint and make sure that I have the white paint all over the bottom of my bristles. And then I'm going to run my fingers through those long plastic bristles, and that's going to splatter the snow all over the sky. Do as much or as little as you want. And once again, if you're doing this step, maybe eliminate the star step at the beginning, just because I use silver paint for the stars at the beginning and you really don't actually even see the difference between them and the snow. So then I'm going to take that same brush that I used to create my trees, and I'm going to put them in some white paint, and I'm going to be very, very light-handed and just add a little bit of snow to my trees. Again, light-handed better than heavy-handed. You can always add more if you feel it needs more, but you can't take it away once it's down unless you take a Q-tip and some water really quickly. But again, it's much easier to be light-handed and need to add more later than heavy-handed. So you're going to do as much of this as you want. Once you are done this, you're going to let it dry completely.